don't need the gym to get in the best shape of your life. What does BAMF do, and what's that mean anyway? Is it what you think it means? Probably not. It to me stands for brain and muscle fuel. It has 6 grams of citrulline for that pump, besides for the gains, and Himalayan rock salt for hydration, as well as like 333 milligrams caffeine to get you pumped up and ready to go. Let's try this BAMF brain and muscle fuel. What were you thinking, BAMF? Oh my goodness. It tastes so amazing, and it's got lots of great quality too. Like you velvet for recovery and nootropics for cognition and focus. Of course, caffeine for endurance and pump, and citrulline. Check it out at the link below. Live longer, feel better, and add life to your years.